It's a little bit rainy today, so we're leaving the town of Nishwara, and then we're going to go to Bucharest today, which is the capital. And we're going to go meet up with a friend who's a member of the core group from Oregon. We actually got a really good friend coming from Oregon to hang out with us our last week in Romania, and then we're flying him back to Thailand so he can hang with us over there. So anyway, off to Bucharest. So we ended up picking up our friend at the airport that came from Oregon to come and see us. This guy is amazing. Give the guy kudos, man, for coming over. And he is part of the core group from Melange, and here he is. Our good friend Dave.
Hi.
Welcome, Dave, and thanks for coming to visit us.
Totally. We're excited. And here we are at the National Museum.
And here we are, like Gia said, at the National Museum. So then this thing was an obelisk that was made in Rome. The original one is made in Rome, and they have copies of this one by piece. So it's by every square inch, but it's separated because the obelisk is 120 feet high. So they chopped it all up and put it on pieces all over the wall. But the original one is in Rome, so there's a big history behind this one. And it just goes for like rooms and rooms. And this is just the base of the obelisk. It's so super detailed, super intriguing, and just amazing. The graphics on this. And I'm sure each one of these tell the story, but I would end up being here all day if I was to give you the story. So this is the actual model of what it would look like. Now in the room with the artifacts of war and the different types of war that they had. And they're just gonna like scan around here like super quickly. And that is the end of our gold tour. Pretty fascinating, pretty amazing. All the intricate details and the work that they put into it. Super cool.